Sexual trauma. I was depressed.
Okay.
I was hurting myself. But for some reason, I guess nggak kuat dengan anxiety-nya sih. Kayak the PTSD yang ngadu ke my mom, but then didn't work out, you know. So then
Cari dong nangis biar seru nih.
jangan dong. I want to be the first.
You watching Into the Light podcast.
Halo Nadia.
Hai.
Yes, sedikit mungkin notes karena Nadia ini banyak dalam bahasa Inggris karena dulu dia tinggal lama gede di Amerika ya. Dari umur berapa?
Dari lahir sampai 9 tahun. Cuman
9 tahun.
ya,
Okay.
kakak speaks English all the time, so mau nggak mau
Oke.
tetap bisa bahasa Inggris.
So jadi kalau agak mix sedikit ya ini episode yang cukup menarik ya. Thank you Nadia. So ya kira-kira apa sih yang jadi challenge kamu yang kalau bisa kita beresin di pertemuan kali ini bisa mungkin bantu contribute to you gitu.
Right now, I'm dealing with a lot of trust issues. I guess sexual trauma.
Oke. So dari semua ini yang kamu capture paling ngebebanin kamu yang mana kira-kira yang kalau kamu beresin mungkin akan contribute to you?
Yang paling gede sih di antara trust issues sama abandonment issues sih. I feel scared. I feel betrayed,
Yes.
sad, marah juga.
Kemana?
Kayak merasa tidak ada adilnya gitu.
Oke, tidak adil. Dari ini semua mana yang menurut kamu paling membebani kamu? Paling kamu?
Betrayed sih kayaknya.
Betrayed. Oke.
Yeah, I don't feel loved.
Oke. Dan kamu ketika kamu tidak dicintai emang kenapa?
Jadi kayak lebih jadi overthinking gitu. The thoughts in my head sih it can get pretty dark. When my feelings get dark, kayak I think semua orang punya that suara kecil yang suka being really hard on yourself. And like sometimes I'm afraid that they're right gitu. Jadi
They're
kayak
right.
in a sense kayak ngerasa gagal
Oke.
untuk bisa menunjukkan kayak I can be something more gitu. We all die at some point kan.
Yeah,
Jadi
yeah.
kayak I'd like to be remembered by like when you do something nice, that person will remember
Okay.
you in that type of sense.
What if there's no one that remembering you and then why?
That it's all for nothing.
Kenapa all for nothing?
Cause no one will remember you.
Kalau emang gak ada yang ngingetin kamu emang kenapa? Misalnya
Iya
kayak
sih,
apa-
sebenarnya nggak masalah juga ya sebenarnya ya.
Tapi kenapa
Kayak,
menurut
who
kamu kayak
cares?
it's something yang kayak penting untuk to be remembered gitu, mean something to someone.
Ya, sesimpel jadi tempat curhat juga sebenarnya banyak sering kali ya teman-teman tuh sering curhat, and it feels like I feel honored that you want to talk to me about your problems gitu, like you trust me.
So oke, mungkin ini yang perlu kita rilis dulu. So we need to release this thing and then kamu tadi butuh untuk jadi something special, mean something to someone, be remembered. Ketika kamu ingat ini, apa yang kamu rasain?
Like empty.
Natural. Oke. Ini lucu ya. Jadi kayak yang dirilis adalah soal kamu bantu teman kamu dulu. Nah, karena kita itu biasanya kayak ketika misalkan ada sesuatu pengalaman yang kita berkesan banget, kita jadi kayak pengen banget untuk reliving lagi kejadian itu. Sehingga ketika kamu ingat itu tuh berkesan, jadi kayak kamu menuntut tubuh kamu untuk bisa kayak gitu lagi. Nah ketika itu justru dibuang, beban kamu justru jadi keurai. Kalau kamu nggak di-remember suatu saat sama semua orang,
It is what it is.
nggak ada bebannya. Oke ya. Jadi itu, ya. Jadi ketika kita rilis, itu akan menguraikan. Jadi ini,
It's so weird.
ya.
It's like it felt like I could actually physically feel
Huh?
like the weight being lifted off.
Oke.
It was kind of weird. I mean, I knew I was gonna like feel something on the inside, but like I didn't think I'd feel anything like physically.
Oke.
You know?
So you can feel physically like
Yeah, physically like something just
something changed.
slighter gitu.
Okay, because there's some rules that we created because about the past experience, yeah, and it's embedded in our body. So because the emotion is stored in our body tissue in form of tension, and then when you release the tension, and then it's just
Okay, that makes
Okay.
sense. Yeah, that kind of makes sense.
I feel light.
Yeah, that makes sense actually.
Okay.
Have you ever done that thing where you kind of like tie your finger
Huh?
and then like the blood kind of stops flowing?
Yeah.
And then you release the rope.
Uh-huh.
Gitu kan langsung kayak ngalir gitu.
Yeah,
Nah
yeah.
kayak gitu dari barusan. Kayak gitu rasanya.
Yeah. That's the tension kick. And
Yeah.
it's just suddenly kayak.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Okay. So this is what I told you before. It's the single cord trauma.
Mhm.
It's more easier to release.
Yeah.
I call it like lottery trauma because
Okay.
you're like winning a lottery when you meet
Yeah, kind of.
when you met the clients with the this kind of trauma, like when you release ting and then suddenly,
It's like-
okay, I didn't feel anything anymore.
Yeah,
like
that's
it's just a
crazy.
few minutes and then boom. Yeah.
Karena this problem has really, ini baru kayak sebulan yang lalu aku ngerasain ini, aku turun 7 kilo
Okay.
within the past 2 weeks
Oh wow.
gitu. Jadi kayak bener-bener it's like on my mind banget. And now like, ih kenapa gak dari kemarin gitu.
Okay.
Yes.
So check again.
Okay,
Mana yang udah beres?
I think trust issues okay.
Trust issue, okay. Terus ada apa lagi?
I'm kind of scared, but like, I think sexual trauma
Apa yang kamu rasain ketika kamu ingat itu? Sedih?
is sad.
Ada di
I'm
menu?
gonna cry.
Oke.
Unfairness.
Unfair? Mana yang dominan kamu
Kalau
rasain?
dominant is scared
Scared. Apa yang kamu takutkan?
that it'll happen again.
Kalau itu terjadi lagi, apa yang kamu takutkan?
That I'll have to go through the process all over again. The healing.
The healing process.
Ya.
Berapa lama kamu ngalamin itu semua?
Berapa lama?
Iya, jadi buat healing prosesnya kayak berapa tahun gitu?
Itu yang terakhir aja aku masih belum completely
heal.
process. Iya. Kejadian 2022. Awal tahun 2022.
Oke. Healing prosesnya capek, takut terjadi lagi.
I guess nggak kuat dengan anxiety-nya sih. Kayak the PTSD yang kebawa mimpi, the night sweats, the tiba-tiba deg-degan for no reason, that type of like physical things yang bikin aku ngerasa ini lagi gitu.
Oke. Dan kalau harus kayak gitu, kenapa emang kalau kebawa mimpi terus kayak ngalamin itu semua?
Gak enak rasanya.
Kalau nggak enak, kamu merasa apa?
Kayak dalam hal kayak gini kan rasanya kayak pengen dibantu gitu.
Kayak dijagain, dilindungin gitu?
Iya.
Oke.
Kind of.
Lebih ke situ atau bukan? Dibantu
Iya,
berarti? kayak
dilindungi lebih tepatnya.
dilindungi.
Kayak ingin dilindungi dari hal-hal kayak gitu.
Oke. Emang kenapa perlu dilindungi?
Okay, I know exactly. Kayak a memory yang will make me feel. At first, kayak I thought I was protected, but then I wasn't gitu. Jadi, I remember dulu when my mom punya anak ketiga, my grandma kirim mbak dari Indo ke Amerika untuk bantuin my mom. Nah, this mbak is a little bit, karena aku anaknya aktif dulu, nggak bisa diem. Jadi kayak mungkin dia gemes kali ya. Jadi aku sering dicubit. Terus aku kan nggak suka dong, anak kecil mana ada sih disuka dicubit gitu. Terus aku bilang, I told my mom kan, aku dicubit sama mbak itu gitu. Terus dia bilang, kamu next time kalau dicubit kamu kasih tahu. Kalau kamu cubit aku, berarti aku akan ngadu to my mom gitu kan. She cubit aku lagi, and then I said what she told me to say. Tapi dia malah marah, and it kind of like escalated from there gitu.
I see.
So mungkin di situ my sense of being safe was like ripped di situ. Jadi kayak yang tadinya I feel like, oh I can tell my mom and like she'll protect.
Oke.
She'll protect me and stuff, you know. Tapi ternyata it's the opposite gitu.
Okay.
Going to my mom made me get hurt even more gitu.
Oke. Oke.
Dapet nih.
Kena deh. Oke. So.
I think that was the last time probably I felt like completely protected was when aku ngadu ke my mom, but then it didn't work out, you know. So then I guess after that, like my life is a bit like I just feel unsafe all the time.
Okay. So cek ketika waktu Mbak tiba-tiba malah jadi marah ke kamu dan nggak berubah, ketika itu beban yang kamu rasain apa? Ketika kamu ingat ini, ada beban yang masih muncul gak?
No.
Aman?
It's funny because like when you were talking in the beginning, I felt like I was gonna cry,
Uh-huh.
and then in the middle of it, it just went away.
Oke.
Like the kayak kan udah kerasa kan kalau mau nangis tuh gimana?
Yeah.
Kayak itu udah
And then the feeling
hilang.
just disappear.
Hilang.
So, promisesnya mama itu yang jadi beban kamu saat itu. Jadi bikin kamu feel unsafe setelahnya kejadiannya. Jadi kayak kamu masih merindukan semua janjinya dia gitu. Mungkin kelihatannya simple ya, tapi kalau kamu notice, this is something unique karena yang aku rilis adalah soal janjinya dia. Tapi yang beres malah soal ketika diperlakukan seperti itu, dicubit.
Iya.
So kita coba cek lagi ke atas. Kalau kamu lihat di atasnya, ini kan udah beres yang di sini nih. Terus tadi kamu feel-nya unsafe, yang di atas lagi, periksa ke atas sampai mana aku bisa kasih warna hijau. Kamu cek.
Give it. I'm gonna try triggering myself, gaslighting myself
Be my guest.
into remembering when that happened.
Okay.
Karena itu sangat, aku kaget gitu. Karena itu teman aku sendiri, teman lama lagi.
Oke.
And when it happened, it was just like, what the F, you know?
Oke. Ya.
I remember every single detail.
Oke.
I feel nothing. Kayak dulu kayaknya I'm triggered by the simplest things, like kalau misalnya sunset kan the sky is kind of orangey and the sun gives that hue orangey light, and then that would just trigger me because like that's what I was staring at, you know, like into the abyss to try to forget the fact that whatever's happening right now is happening.
Okay.
Gitu. And now I feel nothing, like hilang gitu. Kayak tadi yang the rope thing with the finger.
You see, I just need 2 minutes to release.
Where have you been all my life, bro?
Yeah.
Aduh.
Yeah, when you knew like bagaimana caranya, langkahnya di mana, titiknya di mana, strukturnya di mana, kayak just tap in di situ, ya udah, kayak gitu. Cuman ya
It's
kayak
that
perlu.
simple. Who needs therapy? No, just kidding. I mean, go to therapy, you know, if it works for you, you know, you do you.
Iya. So, can you imagine kesulitan kamu ketika kamu lewatin semua healing prosesnya dan semua perlakuan yang pernah dilakukan ke kamu. Tapi yang nyangkut itu adalah janji mama yang mau protek kamu.
Iya, that's weird.
Yeah.
Kok bisa ya? Ya maksudnya sangat tidak nyambung ya.
Yes.
At all, like.
Dan kamu perhatikan, makanya yang tadi aku bilang, kenapa aku harus tanyain kamu detail?
Oh yeah.
Ya, aku harus temukan di bawah tuh
The
apa.
silly question.
Iya.
Silly Willy.
Tapi once released, okay, so you check the sexual trauma. Sad, unfair, marah, pain, scared. How do you feel right now?
I feel okay. Like kayak acceptance in a sense gitu.
Okay.
Kayak ya udah, it happened. It sucks, tapi kayak ya udah in the past gitu.
Okay.
Gak usah diungkit-ungkit lagi gitu.
Waduh, tadi aturan diungkit dulu biar dia nangis gitu ya.
Iya
Jadi seru.
ya.
Sekarang udah gak bisa nangis lagi.
Gak bisa nangis lagi.
Yaudah.
Coba inget yang dulu lagi. Kita gaslighting nih.
Jadi kita coba tes.
Ayo
Jadi
kita
kamu
trigger my
diapain apa
PTSD yuk.
aja?
Trigger my PTSD. Coba.
Apa yang dilakukan sama dia? Dia ngapain aja?
I was 14.
Oh damn.
Yeah, and he was older. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what was happening gitu. Tapi, I mean, I feel something, tapi it's not as intense.
Ah,
Gitu.
okay.
Cuman it's not to the point where, oh no, I'm gonna cry. No, kayak, yeah, that sucks gitu. Balik lagi, it sucks, but ya udah gitu.
Okay, now you still feel something.
Just feel like
A bit light, tapi masih
lighter,
ada.
tapi kayak ada dikit gitu.
Tek gitu, oke.
Kayak
Coba dicek selamin, apa yang kamu rasain?
sedih, maybe.
Apa yang bikin sedih?
That the fact that they would take advantage.
Oh.
Because I'm supposed to be able to, again balik lagi, trust you mungkin ya.
Beneran sedih gak?
Kayak
Bisa dirasain?
a little bit, just like the tiniest
Oh.
hint.
Cari dong nangis biar seru nih.
Jangan dong. I wanna be the first. I wanna be the first yang gak terlalu banyak nangis.
Tadi udah nangis tapi. Yeah.
Kan dikit banget.
Gitu ya, oke. Oke. Dia orang dekat sendiri gitu ya. Tapi dia lakukan itu. Apa yang kamu masih rasain?
I feel nothing. And you know the wildest thing is that as you were doing the thing, I could feel it in my back.
Oke.
And it's funny because when it happened, he did it from behind.
Ah, oke.
So it's like, that's funny. Because like that means I've been storing it in my back this entire time. Like, damn, no wonder I have back problems. Like, I'm
No
not...
wonder.
Trauma.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Back again, trauma starts in our body.
Iya, iya sih emang.
That's the body keeps the score. You can read the book.
Iya, iya benar. I believe that.
Yeah. So when you release it and then suddenly
Iya bener-bener kayak yang tadi, the rope thing. Jadi kayak sur gitu.
Oke. Jadi gimana kalau misalkan suatu saat di masa yang akan datang bisa aja kamu kena betray lagi, apa yang kamu rasain?
Nothing. like go ahead, like
Go ahead.
I'm in the I don't care era.
So whenever people wants to try to do like
taking
abusive
advantage.
things
Like
to
it's
you
like,
again,
oh
just-
well, you know, that's a shitty thing for you to do. But like, I was being a good person, so like, technically I'm not in the wrong. So it's like you do whatever, I'm good. You know.
Oke. So bukan berarti kamu membiarkan semua
Oh
orang untuk abuse kamu.
enggak lah. Cuma kayak oh cukup tahu aja gitu
Yeah.
kayak oh lo kayak gitu orangnya. Oke.
Jadi kau berani macam-macam.
Ya. Bye gitu. Cut away.
Oke. So trauma, abandonment, abuse, cek lagi apa yang masih kamu rasain.
Trauma apa gitu. Kayak again balik lagi kayak itu udah terjadi. Jadi mau diapain? Gitu maksudnya. Ya udah gitu.
Wow. Bijaksana sekali ya Anda ya.
Si tiba-tiba wise.
Tadi belum cerita banyak ini.
Iya
kurang
ya,
digali
jadi
sama aku. Tiba-tiba udah hilang duluan.
Aku nonton yang you were interviewing the gamer girl.
Oh iya.
Yeah, my mom sent me that, and
Oh,
I was
true.
like, I totally relate to that. You know, I totally relate to the. I don't feel heard a lot, and then mungkin it's like trauma shit gitu. I mean, childhood trauma things. The trigger adalah aku ingat, something was wrong with me. I felt like I was depressed.
Oke.
I was hurting myself, but for some reason my parents didn't think like, oh, there's something wrong with our child. She's cutting herself. You know what I mean?
Oke.
Akhirnya aku Google myself, googling what like aku merasa kayak gini, and then it was what came up was like, oh, aku bipolar gitu, mungkin gitu.
Okay.
So I tell my parents, aku kayaknya bipolar deh gitu kan.
Oke.
And then what they did is what I will remember for the rest of my life, even if I don't want to remember it, is that they laughed and they said, oh no, you're not bipolar, you're just being dramatic. Ya biasa lah, puberty, you're just being a drama queen. Nah, my whole life that's how I felt until counseling, drug tests, sama virginity tests. It's weird,
Okay.
gitu kan. So as I'm counseling, like I'm telling her how I feel, whatever, blah blah blah. Terus, so she calls my parents. So di situ akhirnya diseriusin, like, oh, emang something is wrong with her gitu. Terus akhirnya, oh lo and behold, emang bipolar gitu.
I see.
So being angry, yelling, crying gitu, which makes me feel unheard dan itu benar-benar trigger. Tapi even talking about it now, I don't feel it. I don't feel it.
Oke. Berarti satu
Apa ya?
podcast yang penting. Tolong suruh dia cerita dulu gitu sebelum dirilis.
Iya ya, jadi apa ya?
So, yeah. Lampu kayak udah boleh nyala nih. Kayaknya ini yang tercepat kita beresin.
That was fast. Oh, that was really fast.
Yeah, like, nggak sampai 1
I thought I
jam.
was gonna be like bawling, bro. Like, karena aku lagi bener-bener ngadepin sekarang. Kayak gila. And now I feel nothing. Now I feel... I expected nothing. I had no expectations.
Kita datang aja dulu gitu ya, coba-coba.
Ternyata it works loh. Kayak like no way, like dude, years of trauma kan, like
Yeah.
maksudnya years of going through that stuff and like bisa hilang dalam apa satu sesi or one. It's only been an hour.
Yeah, just 1 hour.
We told my mom too. It's been only an hour.
Yes, so I told you before, it's the lucky trauma, the lottery
The
trauma.
lottery trauma. I don't know deh. You just have to try it for yourself. Bener kayak apa? Like I thought like okay, mungkin aku bakalan light within like mentally wise ya. I just did not expect like to feel the physical like lightness gitu. Kayak sekarang I feel like I can like go for a jog or something. Let's play skip rope or something gitu.
Yeah.
Kayak bener yang tadinya aku bener-bener deh mumet banget aku tadi kayak udah gitu. Cuman sekarang udah kayak whatever gitu.
Oke.
I feel nothing. Free.
Oke.
Gila bisa kayak gitu ya.
Iya.
That's crazy.
Yoi, lucu ya. Jadi ada 5 titik core emotionnya yang dominan. Nah, terus yang ikut kerilis ada 14 poin. Jadi kayak kadang orang mikir kayak, gue punya banyak trauma nih, apakah harus gue rilis semua? Enggak. Tapi yang kamu perlu rilis adalah core traumanya. Jadi kayak bebannya itu yang nyangkut, ya ketika diberesin dia selesai gitu. So, cek semua lagi terkait dengan orang yang pernah nyakitin kamu tadi, all the sexual trauma, periksa semua, aman?
Oke.
Oke. Dan apa hal terbaik yang kamu ambil dari pertemuan ini?
Hal terbaik dari pertemuan ini is being able to let it go sih, obviously.
Oke.
It just felt like, so jadi selama ini gue kayak iketin badan gue sendiri, terus akhirnya lepas juga talinya gitu.
Oke.
And I can feel like everything like flowing as it should. Gitu. Before I came in, like honestly fighting myself from crying, like don't cry, you know, like karena aku tadi habis nangis kan, jadi kayak aku masih sedih gitu, kayak don't cry, mama papa jangan nangis gitu kayak. Sekarang udah kayak, ya udah silabi. It's life.
C'est la vie. Oke.
Ternyata hal-hal bodoh kayak gitu tuh bisa loh menjadikan itu jadi kita punya trauma loh. Yang tadinya you think it's only the bad stuff, you know, but it turns out like some of the good stuff can also cause pressure.
That's correct.
So it's like itu sesuatu yang aku baru tahu sih, baru kepikiran. I had no idea that could be possible. Efeknya tuh langsung berasa gitu. Kayak sometimes when you do kayak hypno let's say, kayak itu kan butuh waktu ya, kayak nggak mungkin sekali pertemuan, itu berkali-kali. Dan aku udah ngerasain melewati hypno kayak gitu-gitu, itu lama. Dan itu pun jadi kayak jadinya meringankan beban kepada my medications juga jadinya. Jadi berarti nggak usah terlalu banyak kali ini gitu dosisnya.
Sempet ragu gak?
Yeah, I was kind of like kayak if it doesn't work gimana dong gitu kan, maksudnya I really wanna stop feeling like this, you know.
So,
Jadi, it worked. It worked faster than I thought it would.
Yeah, it's okay because many of my clients also feels like that.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
bet kayak pasti
Yeah.
kayak orang kayak apaan sih, kayak bisa ngomong lepaskan, gue juga bisa lepaskan, nggak ada efeknya.
So hari ini bisa selesaiin case-nya Nadia, seru ya, ada core traumanya ada 5, terus ada 14 titik core titik emotion yang beres ya traumanya. Jadi banyak banget yang bisa kita selesaikan dalam satu ketemuan, dan kita bisa belajar dari case-case yang tadi aku sempat ngomong di awal kan, kayak begitu aku bilang oke, sexual abuse aku bisa beresin. Dan itu aku garansi 110%. Terus kamu kayak
Because kamu bilang dia sampai 3 kali, terus like I don't even know how many times I've been through it already. Kayak
Oh, really?
banyak banget semenjak aku pindah ke sini. That's why for like selain culture shock itu aku going through that karena aku I was like puberty hit me early gitu. Jadi kayak aku dulu paling nggak suka, sampai sekarang sih aku paling nggak suka kalau dibilang, ih badannya bagus kayak gitar Spanyol atau boha ya kayak gini, karena it feels like it gives them validation to do what they did gitu.
Oke.
Jadi kayak udah nggak tahu, even on the top of my head there's like about 5, but that's not even all of them gitu.
Oke.
Jadi kayak aku mikir 3, yakin lo, gue banding banget lo.
Oh, mungkin yang 5 udah ya. Jadi, jadi kayak ya itu sesuatu yang bisa diberesin. Jadi kita nggak harus bawa terus-terusan. Bahkan tadi cuma hitungan menit kita beresinnya
Yeah.
gitu kan. Kayak
So fast. I'm so shocked. Like I kind of want to gaslight myself to feel something again. Like but nggak ada, gitu, nggak ada yang keluar.
udah dicari diperiksain semua udah clear ya. Jadi itu sesuatu yang bisa diberesin. Jadi kalau misalkan zaman dulu memang kita harus bawa trauma kita itu bertahun-tahun gitu, kayak hukuman mati gitu, dan semua orang percaya dan meyakini sebuah satu keharusan bahwa kamu ya acceptance, terima kalau kamu hidup dengan trauma seumur hidup nggak akan pernah bisa hilang. Video ini bisa menjadi sesuatu yang kamu lihat langsung transformasi transisinya kayak gimana gitu ya. Cuman sayangnya tadi emang nggak gue gali-gali sampai dia nangis dulu gitu ya.
Cuman nangis padahal aku cengeng loh. Aku cengeng
Tapi
banget.
dari awal soalnya udah determine banget, gue gak boleh nangis, gak boleh nangis, gak boleh.
Iya, jangan nangis.
Tapi mungkin kamu bisa capture ya dari kesedihan dia, dari cara dia cerita atau semacamnya. Kamu bisa lihat dari awal sampai sekarang ketika udah liberated tuh kayak apa gitu. Jadi kayak kita bisa liberated. Jadi jangan mau lagi didoktrinasi bahwa trauma gak bisa hilang, artinya mereka gak belajar caranya. Karena sekarang kamu bisa ilangin semua trauma kamu, termasuk orang-orang yang terdekat kamu yang mungkin kamu cintai, kasih, yang mereka punya trauma yang bikin mereka jadi reaktif banget. Telusurin aja, siapa tahu bisa diberesin dan kamu bisa terbebaskan sepenuhnya dari permasalahan orang-orang di sekeliling kamu ataupun buat kamu sendiri gitu ya. Jadi mungkin itu, thank you banget Nadia.
Thank you.
It's an honor.
It was my honor.
Pleasure to have this conversation and to help you to release all the traumas and things like that. And thank you for the contribution about this. So maybe people with this kind of problem can like help themselves when they see like this, and then they can be healed, so they can regain back their life. So guys, now you can buy happiness.
Ya, betul. Itu benar.
Hah? Iya udah ini sih udah mau beres. Ya.
Kita sejaman. 1.5. Ini super kilat. JNE yes ya.
Jadi yes.